was bathing in the river. Suddenly he saw a scorpion drowning. He tried to save the scorpion. As he picked up the scorpion stung him again and again. Meanwhile, a man was sitting at the shore of the river, watching the whole scene. Finally, the simple man picked up the scorpion and threw it at the shore of the river. When he came out of the river, the man watching this whole scene asked him, "Sir, I saw that you were trying to save a scorpion." And again he was thinking, "Why did you save the scorpion even though it stung you?" The simple man replied, "It is the nature of the scorpion to sting, and it is my nature to save." Naturally, we all act based on the mood in which we are situated in. Everything around us is controlled by these different modes. We can see in the animal kingdom, we have animals in the mode of goodness, like cows, gentle and easygoing. We have animals in the mode of passion, like tigers, feed on flesh, as well as animals in the mode of ignorance, like the monkeys and pigs, who are always doing naughty things and eating dirty things. Even among the birds we see, we have birds in the mode of goodness, who eat grains and stay in a neat environment like swan. Birds in the mode of passion, who eat dead things like vultures. And the birds in the mode of ignorance, who eat dirty things like crows. Therefore, we should not be disturbed by people's actions. They act based on the mode they are situated in. Instead, we should try to be more God conscious, because we will be more loving. And we should try to understand in which mode people are situated and try to help them. That is the message. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna mentions a foolish person under the influence of most of material nature thinks that he is the doer of action, which in actuality are carried out by the most of material nature. We are not in control. We act based on the mode we find ourselves. Therefore, we should not react to people's nature. Instead, we should respond. Someone may say, if we are not in control, then somebody may act and get away with it. No. If you act in a particular way under the influence of most of material nature, you are going to suffer the reaction. That is another topic to be discussed. Knowing this, we should try to elevate our mode from lower to higher modes of nature, from ignorance to passion, passion to goodness, and eventually we should transcend the modes. Three modes of material nature are real, they are controlled by God, and we can learn to elevate our modes and eventually transcend the modes by being God conscious. Thank you very much.